Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a grand solar minimum update. Wednesday, September 23rd, 1 a.m. Mountain Time 2020. We're looking at some data points coming up on the total snow mass for North America I've never seen before. And this is 2 months before the actual data starts to come in. And we're seeing data points up in the 2,200 gigaton range. If these are anomalies, I've never seen such a thing, but there are 4 data points. But the big story, Beta weakens to tropical depression and stalls over the Texas coast as flooding is imminent everywhere. Here we can see flooding at the front lawn during Tropical Storm Beta Tuesday, September 22nd in Houston. Their family has been living in this home for a year and didn't know the neighborhood could flood. Oh dear. Beta weakened to a tropical depression Tuesday as it parked itself over Texas coast, raising concerns of extensive flooding in Houston and areas further inland. Keep calm. It's boom time. Beta bringing heavy rainfall to Texas and Louisiana. Dangerous rip currents along the east coast. That's from Teddy. Beta will continue to bring heavy rainfall and flooding to parts of Texas and Louisiana down here in the green zones, with areas of rainfall also gradually spreading across the southeast elsewhere. Hurricane Teddy will remain in the Atlantic, but bring dangerous rip currents, high surf and swells, and much more to the upper east coast near Maine. It's insane. Now, we're looking at the flood gauges, and if you see red or purple, it's bad news. So here, the Chipola River at flood, the Chattahoochee also at flood, but coming down. And there's more over on the coast here in Houston. But the computer's just not allowing us to pick it up. Seismic update. No quakes of note. Holy macaroni. 3.6 in Wright, Wyoming. Is that Yellowstone awakening? I bet Mary Greeley thinks so. I'd be more worried about this cacophony of quakes on the Cascadia Fault Zone here. 3.0, 3.3, 4.1 off the coast of Oregon. On that flexure point, are we witnessing the pre-shocks of a big one? I think so. What say you? So we have these anomalous points here on the total snow mass for the northern hemisphere, which are completely out of whack based on the normal data. What say you? Grand solar minimum much? If we come look at the Arctic data, we can see a rapid uptick in ice formation, almost going vertically in the last 3 days. What say you? Grand solar minimum much? Seismic. Space weather news. The sun has gotten completely jiggy. We've been in upper A range all day. 24 hours of powers from the sun, and the sunspot that's responsible for this has not even turned the limb. Hello. If you do not know, you guys at Oppenheimer Ranch need to subscribe to Magnetic Reversal News. This is our only monetized channel, which is quite important because we need to pay the bills. I have over $800 worth of bills just in internet, phone, etc. That does not include anything else. Just the basic talking points for the channel. We need to pay these bills. And we also need to make strides. So all you have to do is come over here and subscribe to Magnetic Reversal News and even our new channel, Shinrin Yoku. In just a few minutes, I'm going to be premiering one of the most important scientific endeavors into the channel. So if you're interested in what Shinrin-yoku means, the connection to nature we have lost, please come over to this channel and subscribe. And a lot of you don't know what we've done for the last week or so when we've been demonetized. All that's over here at Magnetic Reversal News. The entire Crestone Energy Fair, the people we met, other updates. Solar flare sinks the Titanic, and Badwell Blues. Hello. Have you heard of Shinrin-yoku, our new channel? It's a channel where you can detach from all the nonsense. Gain clarity, center yourself, and at the same time understand how the science underlying the facts accentuate the future. And that is forest bathing. Each and every one of us needs to walk through the forest at least 2 hours a week, minimum. Even if it takes driving 6 to 8 hours to get there. And if you subscribe to the channel and watch the videos, you'll know why. Proper prior planning prevents piss poor performance. Please subscribe to the new channels. Magnetic Reversal News, been around for 1.5 years. Shinrin-yoku, 3 days. We love each and every one of you. We know some of you are lost in the blogosphere, in the interwebs, which is why we're handing it to you literally. Look below the video and click on the links. Be the change you want to see. And change yourself the way you want to be. That's a boom. Click on one of the squares illuminating around the fear. And have no fear. Be safe. We love you. And that is a boom to knowledge.